Welcome to the video tutorial on how to upgrade PageGate to version 8. These steps are valid for upgrading any previous version of PageGate to version 8. Before you begin the upgrade process, the first step is to back up the current version's database. To determine the location of the database, run the PageGate Admin, then go to Program, Settings. Once there, it will show you what your database directory is. Close the admin, then browse to that directory in Windows. And you should see this file, pagegate.mdb. This is the program's master database, so definitely make a copy of this file for safekeeping. Next, you'll want to stop all PageGate processes. Close the admin, monitor, and client if you have it running on the workstations. We'll also need to stop the PageGate server. I would also recommend starting the Task Manager in Windows and ending the PGS tray process. We want to make sure that no part of PageGate is running before you do the upgrade. Now that we have a backup of the database and the previous version has been shut down, we'll need to go download the installation file for version 8. So, open a web browser and go to our website, www.notepage.net. You should see the PageGate section in the very center of the page, and you'll notice that we have three options: More Info, Download, and Buy Now. Click on Download. If prompted, you want to save the file. Now that we have the installation file downloaded, right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. It should then extract and provide you 4 installation options. The only option we want to select on the server is Install PageGate Server. Click Next. Select whether you want to view the README or release notes, then click Next. Please read the End User License Agreement, then select I accept the agreement and click Next. The installation directory should exactly match the previous version's location. After verifying the path, click Next. Click Next. Select whether you want a desktop icon created, then click Next. Click Install. When the installation finishes, click Finish. Now that we have version 8 installed, find the shortcut for the PageGate Admin, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by the UAC, please allow this process to continue. When prompted, select that you would like the database upgraded. After the upgrade is complete, you'll see this prompt and want to click on OK. You'll then be prompted for your version 8 registration key. Enter it, then click on Apply. Click on OK, then click on Close, and you'll receive a notification that the database has been upgraded and that PageGate needs to be restarted. Click OK. The final step is to start the PageGate service. To do so, open the Windows Services list. Find the PageGate service, right-click on it, and select Start. This concludes the tutorial on how to upgrade PageGate to version 8. For more information, including how to configure PageGate, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.